Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, we'll be answering the questions that are being asked on my YouTube page, and this is actually part 3. Okay, so without further ado, let's get it on. If you haven't subscribed, guys, pag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube, it's time for you to subscribe now so that I can answer your questions, di ba? Para naman magkaroon ako ng ganang mag-answer ng mga questions nyo. Kasi dumadami yung mga questions. And syempre dapat dadami din yung mga followers natin dyan. First question. Hi, yung i-upload na high school at college diploma ba scanned or pwede picturean na lang sa CP then upload? Thanks. Okay, so with regards to this, what I actually did is I downloaded an Adobe Scan or Adobe Scanner na application, and then yun yung ginamit ko mismo. Okay, so he's actually asking about dun sa mga certificates kung anong ginawa ko. So, ayun. Next question. Hi, sir. Ano po recommendation for agency sa USA? PRS Global? Or what is your agency? I'm still looking for an agency. Okay, so with regards to this, I don't actually promote any agencies or anyone. Pero to answer your question, I'm actually under the Connetics. Pero ngayon is nandun na sila sa AMN na group. So dalawa na kasi yun eh. AMN, O'Grady Payton at saka Connetics. Yeah. Pero it depends on you. Again, what you need to do is dapat maganda yung offer na ibigay sa inyo. Hi, yung ilalagay ba sa license before makuha yung certificate sa course license sa Pinas? Ito, medyo naguluhan ako actually dito, kaya I actually clarified kung ano ba yung tinatanong. Next one, need pa ba mag-login or gumawa ng account sa CEU Fast? Yes, you need to create your CEU Fast account in order for you to proceed with the required trainings. Kasi pag wala kayong accounts, mababawala yung mga trainings ninyo. Hi, pwede ba i-fill out yung mga forms then send ko na lang via email sa kakilala ko na maglalakad? Siya na lang magpa-print out to pass sa school and PRC. So with regards to this one, I actually encountered one during my application process. Yes, pwedeng meron kayong representative, but what you need to do is magpagawa kayo ng gumawa kayo ng authorization letter na sila yung gagawa ng filing ninyo or etc. Or pwede yung SPA. That's fine. Next question. The courses I took were from Fast Celeste because they are cheaper. That's fine, right? I mean, they're accredited providers as I know. So, upon checking this one, I think it's just a typographical error, and you can actually check the approved providers on the link that I'll be putting down below. So, pero I actually use the CEU Fast, but you can actually check any provider as long as they are accredited for the NYSED. Next question. Hi, pwede kahit college diploma lang i-upload? Yes, pwede. Kasi if ever na kulang yung documents mo, mag-email naman yung NYSED sa'yo. Next one. Paano pag residing dito sa US? Print of PRC ID and passport ba would be okay? Kasi ipapalakad ko na lang dyan sa Philippines. So what you need to do is give them a copy of your passport and then PRC. Okay? Another question, hi, need ba i-print ang forms to be filled out or sa website na? So with regards to this, you can actually fill out the form dun sa mismong website. If it's the form 2F and 3F, what you need to do is to download the form, then you can fill it out via dun mismo sa laptop ninyo or pwede nyo i-print. And then, you can sign. Okay? But with regards to the Form 1, syempre, diretso kayo dun sa website. Yung college diploma, transcript of records at related learning experience ba, school ang magsasend sa NY Bond? Yes. Hindi pwedeng kayo yung mag-send kasi hindi i-acknowledge ng NYSCD again. Hindi pwedeng kayo yung mag-send. Let your school be the one to submit or send your documents directly to the NYSCD. Need din ba kumuha ng copy for uploading sa Form 2F? Diba? No. Again, you need to watch my video para malaman mo para malaman nyo kung ano yung process. Para sa Form 2F, ang gagawin nyo is fill out yung form or first is to print it out or print out the Form 2F, fill it out, sign, put a date, and then punta na kayo dun sa school nyo. And then, they will ask you to have a transcript of records, RLE, etc. And then, sila na ang bahalang mag-send sa NYSCD. Ganun. Next question, and if need i-print yung mga forms, then fill out by handwritten. Diba? Diba? Nakakaloka. Siyempre, what you need to do, ang ibig kong sabihin, pag hindi kasya yung name mo, what you need to do is to print the form, tapos iha-handwritten mo. Diba? And then, pwede naman computerize. Ayun. Next question, sir, ask lang po ako, yung sa school verification po ba, ano need i-submit? Copy lang po ba or the original? You actually need to submit the original copy as well as the photocopy. Okay? Again, original and photocopy of your transcript of records and RLE. Next. Hello po. What if two schools po ko sa BSN, ang lalagay ko na lang po ba yung pinag-graduatean ko ng BSN or yung dalawa po na school? Salamat po. Okay, so with regards to this, ang ilagay nyo is kung saan kayo nag-graduate ng BSN ninyo. Okay? Again, kung saan kayo nag-graduate ng BSN, yun ang ilagay nyo. I'm waiting for my eligibility from NYSCD. Question number 1. Diba, bongga? If na-receive ko na, dapat ba mag-create na ako agad ng account for person view? Yes, you know what? Kahit wala ka pang eligibility, you can already proceed or you can have your person view account. That's fine. Next question, the question number 2. Pag hindi pa ako ready mag-exam, ano ba dapat gawin? Huwag mo na mag-create ng account sa Pearson VUE or okay lang mag-create and take exam within 6 months? Again, depends on you. As long as mayroon na kayong eligibility and then, ayun, you can proceed with the next step. Or pwede din naman during the process, For example, ongoing na yung process ninyo, tapos nyo yung form 2F, 3F, form 1, and then pwede na kayong gumawa ng person view account ninyo kahit hindi pa kayo eligible to take the exam. You don't need to actually wait for your eligibility para makagawa ng person view account. Hello, what if I attended 2 different nursing schools? Should I fill up 2 different documents of Form 2F? So I already answered this question a while ago. So what you need to do is just to fill out, or what you need to put is the one where you actually graduated. Okay? So that's it. I think I've answered all of your questions. And if you still have questions, again guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel para naman ganahan akong mag-answer ng mga questions ninyo. And I'll be doing my best to, again, answer your questions as soon as I can. Okay? That's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!